Welcome to Mexico City Airlines. Today, we'll be serving the iconic Mexican taco. First, let's put some beef into the pan. While our beef is cooking, let's check the dessert. Concas are soft Mexican bread that has a lovely buttery, sweet. Let's also heat up a traditional Mexican soup, pozole. Now, tap here to put tortillas on the table. Put the cooked beef onto tortillas. Drag vegetable toppings onto tortillas with beef. Great job! Let's put the taco on the cart and serve it as needed. Wait a moment. Smells delicious. Let's put it on the cart. All right, looks like we're good to go. You have unlocked delicious banana licuado. First, we need to blend some bananas. Tap here to load the blender. Great! Now, tap and hold until the bananas are blended. Good job! The dispenser is filled with banana licuado. Now let's place a glass to fill. Wait a moment. The banana licuado is ready. Tap here to put it on the cart. Perfect! Just don't forget to refill your dispenser once you run out. You have unlocked famous Mexican snacks, tortilla chips. Put some on the cart and serve them as needed. You have unlocked quesadilla, a flavor fiesta in every bite. First, let's put some beef into the pan. Now, tap here to put tortillas on the table. Wait a moment. Put the cooked beef onto tortillas. Drag cheese onto tortillas with beef to combine. Wait for one side to cook. Now, swipe up and flip the quesadilla. Awesome! Let's wait for it. The quesadilla is ready. Tap on the pan to put it on the cart. You have unlocked creamy and delicious guacamole sauce. Tap to put the box on the table. Tap to peel the cover. Tap again to add guacamole sauce to the cart. Throw away the empty box. Good job! Now you can serve guacamole with tacos, tortilla chips, and other meals. You have unlocked spicy and fiery chili con carne. Put the chili into the oven. Fill the rest of the oven. Wait a moment. The chili is ready. Take it out of the oven and serve as needed. You have unlocked a healthy and joyful strawberry licuado. Add strawberries into the blender. Oh no! The dispenser is full, and the blender has items in it too. Empty the blender by dragging the jar to the trash compactor. Now we can add the strawberries. Great! Now tap and hold until the strawberries are blended. Now, let's place a glass to fill. The strawberry licuado is ready. Tap here to put it on the cart. Welcome to Mexico City Airlines.